It's been a long time since our door handle got missing. We were forced to pull the edge of the door and pray that it's strong enough that the door will lock. For today, I'm just gonna improvise the door handle with whatever I could find around the house. I'm going to use this pretty old belt as a door handle. The only problem I would think about is if I'm going to use the original screws that came with the handle, or just get a couple of nails and slam it on the door. When in doubt, you can always use a pair of pliers. As you can see, modern problems really require modern solutions. Let's start hammering. Now we're going to make a hole in this part so that after this we can just measure and cut off the excess. Now the kids and adults, please do not do this at home unless you have a clue on what you're doing. Jeez. Of all the options I could have used, I used the pretty and safe way to make a hole. Now, to rectify the mistake, I'm going to make another hole again. Good enough. Now time to focus on the last bit and we're done. And done. I'm just gonna add another one. Mission success. No one knows how long will this last. Maybe a week, a day, a month. But I'm just hoping that it will last for a year. This looks pretty decent, by the way.